Hi, welcome to another session in this course. We are going to be looking at the difference between the distinct value and the unique value when we are analyzing our data. What do I mean? Look at this column here, the last name. So I will click on column profile here, and you can see that the profile of this column is being highlighted by the Power Query editor. So if you look at this page, you can see distinct value is 7 and unique is 0. So usually a lot of people as a beginner believe that the unique values and the distinct values are the same. No, they are not. So, what do we mean by the word distinct value? So, let me uncheck here so that we can see very well. Look at the last name here. We have Frazier and Frazier. So, these are the names that is representing the same person. So, one of these is distinct. So, and how do we know that? You can see we have Frazier here, another Frazier here, and if you go down here, we have another phrase here. So if I click on the filter icon, you can see that when you come to this place, there is only one name for each of the appearances, and this is what is called the distinct value. That is why if we count this, we are going to get 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So even though we have 19 rows. Those 19 rows are formed from the combination of seven names that are appearing in multiple times. So that is the distinct value. However, how does this different from the unique value? The unique value basically means that a value that appears only once. So if I go back to the column profile, you can see that we have distinct value, which is 7, and if you count from here, like we counted the other time, we are going to have 7. And then the unique is 0, which means that out of all of these particular names, there is none of them that appeared only once. So there are instances when we have data or data points that appeared only once, and that is a unique value. So which means that if you are working on a data set and you want to check the component of a particular variable that appears only once, then you want to use check the number of unique values. So assuming we have our customers here and we have a unique value here of 5, it means that 5 of our customers only appear once, and which means that they did not have more than one transaction. But now that our unique is 0, then it means that all of the customers in our data set actually had more than one transaction. So this is the difference between the unique values and the distinct values in analyzing our data. It's very, very important. Thank you very much until we meet in the next one.